Okay, I'm making a YouTube video today about replacing a wax ring on your commode. We have a problem that is slowly sneaking up on us. And I wanted to share this with you so you can understand what's going on. Anybody that's do-it-yourselfer. When I flush the toilet, you see a little water trail, just sneaky seeping out of the crack. It's been doing it for a long time. It's gone unnoticed, but it's seeping and just weeping out of that crack right down the tile. And you get out of the shower and you think maybe especially in this little bathroom, you think it maybe came out of the shower. So you mop it up and it dries. You ran out, had some bleach out here thinking, who knows, maybe somebody missed the toilet. We had a party the other night, but then it came back when nobody's been here all day. So obviously we have an issue, and it's the wax ring underneath the toilet. I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to change out. So what I'm going to do is start with removing the water line, which is right here, and I'm going to have to turn the valve off to make sure no water's coming out. I'll valve it off, undo these bolts right here, which are rusty. They're going to be replaced with my new kit here. Comes with bolts, really cheap. I think it was like 10 bucks or something like that. But once I get these bolts off and that water pipe removed, I'll kick it back on. Okay, replacing the wax ring on the toilet. What you're gonna need to do so, obviously you're messing with the sewage, so you want some rubber gloves. 2 wrenches in your wax repair kit. The reason you want 2 wrenches is whenever you're removing the water line back here, you want to be able to back up, you know, hold pressure on this while you turn that so you do not break anything. That's what we're going to do, is back it up. And once I remove the water line, which I've already started to, but I wanted to show you guys first, I'm going to valve it off. And to make this easier to move around, what we're going to do is flush the toilet so we get rid of this water. So that's what we want to do, is go to flush the toilet. Now it won't refill, so we have a much lighter and neater situation going on here. And once I get it removed, I'll start the video back. Okay, toilet is unbolted. This is what I've got here. Don't let it scare you. That's a wax ring. It's all messed up. It looks like some grass or something built underneath there. When they did the tile in this bathroom, this toilet was brought outside. It probably had some on the bottom that nobody cleaned before reinstalling. That's what caused this leak. But anyway, it's been here a long time. Here it is. I just kind of shifted the toilet over to the side. We're going to clean all that up, put the new ring in, and show you the process. Bye. Okay, for everybody here to change out the wax seal. Believe it or not, this is clean. I've used this chisel right there to clean out. That's an old cast iron flange, and it has got all the debris off of it. It doesn't look like it, but it's flat, as clean as it's going to get in order to make this seal work. But for all you experienced plumbers, the most interesting thing I've seen in a long time was that grass that we saw that I thought was part of the toilet when it's sitting out in the front yard actually is growing out of this hole here, which goes, if I tap it hard, it goes all the way through the slab into the dirt. So we actually were growing grass underneath our toilet flange, which is gross, but yes, yet interesting all at the same time. So we're about to place this universal flange in. I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, simple as that. That's what it looks like from the side. We're going to hold the toilet up and put her right back down on top of that and tighten it down and see what she does. Alrighty, over a day later, we have heavy duty washers put on. The little ones that came in the kit kept trying to taco when you put torque on it, so it wouldn't actually hold this down tight. But we have no more leak. That is actually old residue. We're going to have to clean it up really good, but it's been 24 hours now and no evidence of water coming out. I think the problem is fixed.